You've made it to the last section of your lab. So we're almost there. You want to create a graph. So set the features on your pendulum so the period is large. That's my suggestion. It'll make all your measurements easier. And we're going to be graphing a position versus time graph for this pendulum. And we're going to check out, look and see what it looks like. So in order to make this position time graph, we want to open up a Google Sheets. So file, new spreadsheet. And it's a position versus time graph. So this will be position. I'm not sure with the simulator what the unit is. So you can leave that blank for position. They don't say if it's centimeters or meters, inches. They just don't say. This one is time, and we're going to measure time in seconds. Now let's check out our simulation tool. And I want it to go as slow as possible. Maybe I want to make this a little longer. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to pause it and drag this thing to where I want. Maybe that's no, that's okay. And what else do I want to do? I want to show clock. I want to reset also. Okay. Now I'm ready to collect data. So I have my clock shown. I have it set so it'll move super slowly. It'll make my measurements easy. I guess I'll start there. So checking out what I have, there's some things you should notice. Um, the length, like I need position versus time. So I have to know the position of this pendulum before I even start. So your position is located on the y-axis. So for me, at 0 seconds, my y-axis, oh, you're not gonna let me do that. Okay. My y-axis, ooh, that doesn't look good. There we go. My y-axis lines up right here. So if I just work my way sideways, that's my y-axis. That's my starting position. My starting position happens to be -1. So I'm going to write that in. And I set my time with 0 seconds. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to hit play. When I hit the middle portion, right here, this middle portion, the lowest part of the pendulum, my time is 3.325. So I'm going to write that in. 3.325. And the position for me is -2. Again, I'm looking at the y-axis. Okay. Again, pause it. 6.7 is my time. And again, the height comes back to -1. So I'm going to play again. Okay, 10.175. And again, I look at my height. I go to the y-axis. It's -2. What's my time? 10.1, 10.5. Okay, 13.775 is my time. My height, -1. I hope you're getting the idea that this position is just going to keep oscillating back and forth. 13.7. 13. Keep doing this until you get about 13 pieces of data.